Okay, something funny happened. Something happened few days ago. I received a very 60. I don't see something USDT. I will calculate it later. Something USDT to my wallet 2 times withdrawal, and I woke up in the morning. I went to my account and I received notifications of receiving. First of all, the first one was 22 USDT. Let me go over to my USDT account here to show you guys. USDT account, you see it. I first of all received 22 USDT, 22.50 USDT, and also 45 years. I was confused. I was like, wow, who sent me this money? All of a sudden, I saw something like I used to have around 39 USDT. All of a sudden, it's now 407 or 180 USDT. I was confused. I was like, maybe someone wants to hack my account, and immediately I withdraw 100 USDT from that account so that if anything that happens, they will not hack much. But I didn't believe that anybody can hack this my account due to the way I put my security and every other thing. Although things can happen, Charles, but I just withdrawn to be safe. So after withdrawing it, I also withdraw my TRS. You guys know I normally have a very big amount of TRS on my trust wallet. I withdrawn every TRS on my wallet. So I withdrawn every TRS I have that time, although I later begin to receive more TRS from Tron SL. So I withdraw 3,146 TRS. I was so afraid of what's happening on my trust wallet, but this particular wallet is so important to me because I have a lot of unlisted token there. So I don't want to delete the wallet. I just withdrawn the big amount of money there, and then I just left it like that. So it happened some days ago, around 26th of this month of last year. That is last year, instead of December. So, and I found out how I got that money today. It was never a mistake. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I got that free USDT unknowingly, as in I withdraw it and I didn't even know I withdraw the money. I was so confused. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about how I earn this USDT. Is kind of a free USDT. I earn it for free. I didn't invest anything on this particular platform, but you have to watch this video to know how to earn without investing your own money. Like I said, I didn't invest any of my money there. So watch this video attentively, and also give this video a like if you got information from it. And for now, let's dive into the main video of the day. So most of you guys, especially my subscribers, knows about this update. I made a video about this update a few months ago. Should I say last month or earlier last month? I found out this update. I found out how legit it is, and I choose to make a video about it. I reviewed it and I told you guys how legit it is. So after making the video, I told, although I said to be in a safer side, please don't invest any money that you can afford to lose. So I didn't even expect anybody to invest in it. So I got referral bonus. I woke up one morning and I saw 2 people activated use their money to buy their plan. So let's go to active deposit, create deposit. Let's go over to create deposit here. You see a lot of around 2 people did this update. They use minimum of $10. So this is kind of a verified USDT investment website, which is not gonna crash today. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys what the reason why I say that this particular platform is not gonna crash today or tomorrow. So watch this video attentively to understand it, because it is a legit platform. So it's kind of a very safe USDT platform which you can earn from. And also, even if you don't have USDT on it, you can do what I do. You can do what I do to earn from yourself. You can refer someone that is ready to invest, and you will get your own profit. You can withdraw it, or you can choose to use it and buy plan for yourself. So I showed you guys how their plan works. This level 1, you can use $10 to $1,000 to start this level 1, which will giving you some 0.93% daily, almost 10% daily, almost 1% daily, So you can also choose to get use the the second one, which will be giving you 2.5% daily, extended one, mid-level, another one. So maybe some of my referral, because it was actually 2 people. Let me show it to you guys here. 2 people active referrals. Where is the affiliate program? So let me go over to my affiliate link. You see that total partners I have so far so good. I've gotten 380 people, and only 2 people are active partner. That means only 2 people deposited on the platform, which gave me this 68.5 USDT. So that is how I got this particular amount of USDT, which they take out their charges and gave me 7 point something USDT in total. So if you cannot invest in it, if you don't have minimum of $10 to invest in it, then the only way for you to choose to earn USDT from them is to refer someone that can invest. That is the only way, and that is what I did. And me personally, I'm gonna deposit my money after this video and invest on this particular platform. This is the kind of platform that you can invest and not be scared of losing your money, and I'm gonna show you guys the reason at the end of this particular video. So I think I've shown you guys how I got that free referral. So if in case you don't know about this particular ines.io, inetex.io, they are a very big project that is going to launch this year. So they have not say the time that they're going to launch this year, and when they want to launch, they're going to launch with the price of 0.55 cents per one. And if you go over to my dashboard, I'm going to having 2088 pieces of this their INI token, which is as for now worth around $11, $1,448.4 US. So which I cannot withdraw now until they list. And also I have added it to my trust, where you can watch the video in the description of this video for more details about it. I made a good review about them, and they are paying. I've withdrawn mine and they're paying. Let me go over to my operation history for you to see the withdrawal that I made on this particular platform. So as you can see, this is the operation history, how I'm getting. Each referral will give you 0.05 USD worth of the token. And let's go over to withdrawal. Withdrawal. So let's go over here. I think it is in the third portal. So let's let the third portal load. As you can see, operation withdrawal in USDT TRC20. Look at it over here. Withdrawal of 22.5 USD was. And also another withdrawal. I made 2 withdrawals here. 2 withdrawals. Where is it? 2 withdrawals. Look at it, $22.5 US withdrawal. And also look at the second one, which is this particular withdrawal here, 45 USDT. So that is what they are talking that I got, and then I exchange it for withdrawal. That is from my referral. So if you don't want to invest in it, you can just sign up and stay and get their token. And bear in mind that once you buy a plan, you'll be getting daily bonus. Look at it over here. I don't have a plan, so I'm not getting daily bonus of 1 to 10 INI token daily. So I don't have a plan yet. I will still have what is $10 there, since I've already earned $60 something from them. So me investing $10 there is not gonna be a big issue for me. So I'm just trying to show you guys how this particular platform works. And this platform is not a platform that's gonna crash today, because they have a lot of plans and they want to launch their token. So they want a lot of users on their token before they will be able to launch in this 2023. So let me go ahead and show you guys why I told you guys that the platform is a very, very legit platform, which is not gonna crash today. So it's kind of investment safe, although I'm not a financial advisor, but it's kind of investment safe. Let me show it to you guys. So I tracked their payment wallet, today. We have a way of tracking payment wallet. If you know how to do, if you want to add watch wallet to your trust wallet, you see this kind of a thing. This is not my money. This is their payment wallet where I track the wallet address that sends the USDT to me, and I saw this. So this is where I received that USDT, and this is their payment wallet to show you guys that these people did not come to pack people's money and run away. Look at the amount of USDT that they have on their payment wallet. Look at it over here. The amount of, and today as a whole, people have withdrawn thousands of USDT. This one withdrawn 3,000 USDT from this place. This one is the notification that I clicked on myself to save it to show you guys on this video. People keep on withdrawing from this particular plan around the world. So this is a very safe platform to invest your money and get revenue from. Remember, making money is not all about stacking your money in one account or the other. It's about making money from your money, using your money to letting your money work for you. Like me, I invested in Tron SL. My money is working for me there without me doing any other thing, and I have to go out doing it. So I think I've shown you guys why this particular platform is a very, very good legit platform to be with and earn some income. So I think this is the end of this video, guys. Do your best to invest what you can afford to lose and enjoy the process. See you guys on my next video. Bye.